I'm gonna go that way.
Done.
Get case. No, don't close that.
No.
Get up, Kurt. We can't put in the grass. It's dirty. Give us some food. I'm hungry. Yeah.
Killer. All right.
Getting all your stuff.
Oh no.
Get up, Marcy.
Careful, bud.
Let's go inside now, guys.
Killer ostrich on the loose.
What?
Ostrich
No, make breaking news.
We're gonna write you a song.
Making news about this. Make the news about him.
Oh, okay.
Go.
This is Sam Snorting
No,
Glop.
don't near to the camera.
This is Sam Snorting Glop, and we've just found a rogue ostrich rider. Ostrich rider,
Hey,
come
look
here.
at me.
I can't see you. Why? Ostrich rider, have you been riding long?
Yes.
Does it take a lot of skill to be an
Hey, guys.
ostrich rider?
No.
No?
No.
How fast can you go on your ostrich?
Not too fast, but a little fast.
A little fast. You have some fans. Do people look at you often when you're running the streets on your ostrich?
I don't know. I'm gonna run now.
Okay,
Practice run.
take
Go.
off.
Okay, yeah.
Whoa.
I don't know how you don't fall off of him.
All right, sign off.
This is Sam Snorting Gloop signing off.